Hi, John Wright here from Wilcom International. Our topic today is saving and or printing an image of your embroidery file. From the File menu, the first selection is Print. To print any of the 4 worksheets, either to a physical printer or save to a PDF file. The Option button allows you to choose the worksheet type. Notice, as each type is selected, the tab options change to allow you to select the different options for different worksheets. For example, an approval sheet will require fewer options than a production worksheet. In the production sheet, I've chosen not to print the garment, while in the approval sheet I have. Note that even though I have chosen to print the garment in the approval sheet, it must be displayed on the work area before you proceed to print. Checking the box activates the worksheet for printing. Print Preview takes you straight to the preview screen and the default printer. You can print, save as a PDF, or send a PDF by email. To export as a vector. Imagine you wish to print the logo on a business card or simply supply artwork to a printer. Export as a vector file. I can now open this in CorelDRAW and make any final adjustments before going to print. Capture as design bitmap. Simply save, send via email, or save and send a bitmap image. Capture virtual decoration bitmap. For those with a direct-to-garment printer or the ability to print to iron-on transfers, capturing a file as a virtual decoration bitmap is a great tool. Imagine the file is increased in size to fit the back of a garment. The customer is sponsoring an event the following day and there is simply no time to embroider 20 garments with a stitch count above 150,000 stitches. And to boot, the fabric is so light it will not take all those stitches. The answer is to print a simulated embroidery image. Most printers will not print a higher resolution than 300 dpi. In fact, 96 dpi will usually be sufficient, but check your printer settings. Open with Corel Paint and you'll notice the background is transparent and the quality of the image is so good it is difficult to notice the difference between the embroidery and printed version, saving lots of time and stress on a light fabric. Thanks for watching. Please look for more videos on our product blog.